In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Salesforce homepage for one user. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to tailor your workspace, this guide will walk you through each step necessary to create a personalized interface that meets your needs. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to access the Salesforce platform. Begin by clicking on the gear icon located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is your gateway to a whole host of settings and features. From the drop-down menu, select Setup. This step is crucial because it opens up the customization options within Salesforce, allowing you to make your workspace truly your own. Now that you're in the setup environment, turn your attention to the Quick Find box. This tool is like your personal assistant, helping you swiftly locate any setting or feature within Salesforce. In this box, type in Lightning App Builder. This tool is essential because it provides the framework for creating or modifying your app pages, offering a cutting-edge, intuitive layout for your homepage. Once you've entered your search term, click on the Lightning App Builder option. Here, you're presented with the flexibility to start fresh with a new app page or choose from a selection of available templates. If you're not sure which route to take, think about the features and information you use most frequently in Salesforce. This consideration will help guide your decision in selecting the right template. With this foundation laid down, you're ready to incorporate the components that matter most to your work. In the Lightning App Builder, you have a wide array of options at your fingertips. You simply need to drag and drop elements like dashboards, reports, or any custom components directly onto your page. This drag-and-drop capability is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to see changes as they happen and make adjustments as needed to craft the perfect layout. Once you've arranged your components to your satisfaction, your next step is to click Save. Following that, click on Activation. Activation is a critical step because it determines who will have access to the layout you've just crafted. In the page settings, you'll notice two main options: Activate for all users or Activate for system administrators only. Decide whether you want the new page visible to everyone or keep it restricted to administrators for further testing. But perhaps you want to get even more specific about who can view this custom page. You can further refine visibility using permission sets and profile assignments found in the setup area. This approach gives you precise control over user access, ensuring only the intended audience can enjoy your custom design. Finally, after all settings are to your liking, be sure to click Save one more time. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your Salesforce homepage. It's now tailored perfectly to enhance your productivity, providing you with a seamless experience and everything you need right at your fingertips. Happy customizing!